I said 93% of your problems, not all. Why? Because I can't help you if you're still crying over your ex from 2019 or trying to manifest success while binge-watching TikTok. Let's get right into it. 1. Nobody cares about your excuses. They only see your results. The world rewards execution, not intention. 2. Your mental health isn't always about self-love. Sometimes it's about self-discipline. Get your ass out of bed. 3. You're not tired. You're just uninspired. Find your why or die a slow death of boredom. 4. Confidence comes after action, not before. Stop waiting to feel ready. That feeling is a scam. 5. Anxiety hates movement. Take a walk, make your bed, clean your damn room. Watch what happens. 6. Victimhood is seductive, but playing the victim gets you sympathy, not progress. 7. Self-help is useless without self-implementation. You've watched 50 videos. Now go do something. 8. Life doesn't get easier. You just get stronger. Or you stay weak and whiny. Pick one. 9. People pleasers are liars in disguise. You lie to others to avoid discomfort. That's not kindness. It's cowardice. 10. Your brain is a muscle. Starve it of trash. Unfollow people who make you feel like garbage. 11. If they wanted to, they would. Stop decoding mixed signals. They're not confused. They're just not into you. 12. Being nice doesn't mean you're good. It just means you're scared to be disliked. 13. Loyalty is earned, not demanded. Stop giving your soul to people who wouldn't even offer you a ride home. 14. Your standards aren't too high. You've just been surrounded by people with low effort. 15. Texting back fast isn't a personality trait. Get a life. Then answer. 16. Silence is a weapon. Learn to shut up when needed. 17. Cutting people off isn't toxic. It's called respecting your peace. 18. Stop arguing to be right. Win the war, not the battle. Your ego can sit this one out. 19. The more you explain yourself, the guiltier you look. Speak once, walk away twice. 20. Your relationship problems aren't spiritual. They're psychological. Heal your attachment issues, not your aura. 21. You don't need motivation. You need a schedule. Motivation is a flaky little gremlin. 22. Your to-do list should fit on a sticky note. Everything else is just you being dramatic. 23. Multitasking is a scam. You're just doing everything badly at once. 24. Wake up early. Not for success, but because nobody is annoying at 5 a.m. 25. Hard work is underrated. The world is too obsessed with smart work. Sometimes you just gotta grind. 26. Every hour of sleep you lose comes for you like a debt collector. Respect your bedtime like your rent. 27. Your phone is a drug dealer. Dopamine hits for free, but you pay with your future. 28. Productivity porn will trap you. Stop watching Study With Me videos and open your damn book. Number 29. Procrastination is fear dressed in pajamas. Punch it in the face. Start before you're ready. 30. Discipline is choosing between what you want now and what you want most. And no, you can't have both. 31. Your job won't make you rich, your skills will. Build income, not employment. 32. Being broke is hard. Building wealth is hard. Choose your hard. 33. The money you waste today is the freedom you cry for tomorrow. 34. Learn how money works or stay poor forever. The bank is not your friend, it's a business. 35. Spending to look rich is how you stay poor. 36. If you can't save $100, you won't save $10,000. It's not about the amount, it's about the mindset. 37. You don't need a side hustle. You need a main hustle that doesn't suck. 38th. Poor people flex, rich people invest. The real bag is silent. 39. Be so good they can't ignore you. But first, actually get good. 40. Status without substance is a clown costume. Don't just look the part, live it. 41. Not every feeling needs to be voiced. Some of them just need a nap. 42. Anger is a teacher, but if you keep interrupting the lesson, you'll never graduate. 43. Stop expecting closure. Some people can't even close the fridge properly. 44. You are not your thoughts. You're the one watching them. Start acting like it. 45. Emotional maturity is shutting up when all you want to do is pop off. 46. Resentment is recycled pain. Let it go or wear it like cologne. 47. No one can manipulate you unless you're emotionally needy. 48. Your triggers are your responsibility. Not everyone needs to tiptoe around your trauma. 49. Not everything is trauma. Sometimes it's just a bad decision you repeated 15 times. 50. Learn to sit with discomfort. It's not punishment, it's training. 51. Brush your damn teeth before talking about inner peace. 52. If you can't keep your room clean, don't talk about organizing your life. 53. Being busy isn't impressive, being productive is. 54. Consistency beats intensity, every damn time. 55. If you can't sit alone in silence, you're not healed, you're distracted. 56. Journaling isn't just for girls, it's for people who want clarity instead of chaos. 57. Stretch your body, or break it later. Your spine isn't built like a charging cable. 58. Get comfortable being bored. It's the gateway to creativity. 59. Talk less. Do more. People respect mystery, not mouth. 60. Your habits are more loyal than your feelings. Build the right ones. 61. You're going to die. Make the day count. 62. Life isn't fair, but whining about it is even more unfair to your potential. 63. Forgive. Not because they deserve it, but because you do. 64. Belief without action is just delusion. 65. You are not special, and that's liberating. It means you get to define yourself. 66. Rejection is redirection. You just didn't know the GPS was rerouting. 67. Pain is part of the price. Stop asking for refunds. 68. If you feel stuck, move your body. Your soul will follow. 69. Spirituality isn't incense and crystals. It's how you treat people when you're angry. 70. The point of life is to leave it better than you found it, not cry about how hard it is. So, let's be real. Your life isn't a disaster because you're cursed. It's a disaster because you keep choosing comfort over growth, noise over clarity, and fantasy over responsibility. You don't need another motivational quote to print on your wall. You need to hear the raw truth you keep avoiding. You just sat through 70 brutal life lessons that could fix 93% of your problems. If you stop acting like a victim in a story you're supposed to be writing. You're not tired, you're unaligned, you're not unlucky, you're undisciplined, you're not overwhelmed, you're over-scrolling. The Stoics always say, we suffer more in our heads than in reality. And they're right. Most of the chaos in your life isn't real. It's your brain binge-watching worst-case scenarios because it's bored and untrained. They also say, don't talk about being a better person. Just be one. No need to announce your healing era. Just do the work, quietly, consistently, brutally. And that's what this video was. Not inspiration, not advice, but a straight-up intervention. So, now what? You can either keep treating your potential like a side quest, or wake up, shut up, and level up. Because guess what? Motivation fades, hype dies. But self-respect? That sticks. So you can either glow up mentally, emotionally, financially, or keep blaming your zodiac sign while your dreams rot. The comment of the day goes to this user, and it says, "Love it. Finally someone who describes me to the letter. Thank you." Finally? You mean to tell me no one's been calling you out in high definition till now? I got you. Consider this your first spiritual slap. Lastly, subscribe, or don't. But when your life hits rock bottom again, just know I tried to help, and you scrolled.